Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss December 2017 a new paper. So this one is general aptitude section of set B and question number 16 to question number 20 are in the solution. So let's see the first question. This is question 16. DRQP is a small square of side A in the corner of a big square ABCD of side A. So here, what is the ratio of the area of the quadrilateral PBRQ to that of the square ABCD given A upon small a equals to 3. So we have to find the ratio of quadrilateral to the square. So let's see the solution. So this one is of net December 2017 and from set B. So see in the figure DRQP is a small square whose side is small a given. Now ABCD is a big square of side capital A. We have to find the ratio of area of quadrilateral P, B, R and Q to the area of the square ABCD. So here now area of the quadrilateral DPBR is equals to half diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. So this one is the basic formula. Here DB is bigger diagonal and PR is smaller diagonal. So half DB into PR. So we have to find DB equals to what? So DB is equals to the diagonal of the bigger square. So we have to find it from the Pythagoras theorem, and DB square is equals to a square plus a square, which is equals to 2a square. So on simplification DB is equals to root 2a. So this one is DB's value. Now PR value is, it's the diagonal of small square DPQR. So it's also finding by the same process a small a square plus a square. So it's equals to 2a square. On simplification PR is equals to a root 2. So putting the value of dB and PR, it's equals to half a root 2 into a root 2. So on simplification root 2 becomes 2 and 2 has been cancelled out. So small a and capital A we get in the solution of the area of the quadrilateral DPBR. Now here in the ratio that the PBRQ, that quadrilateral is asked. So we have to reduce the area of small square, sorry, DQRP. So for that its area is small dpbr is equals to dpb and r. So what is equals to, here it is given that small a into a is the value of the area of the whole quadrilateral, and area of dpbr is equals to 3a square minus a square, because capital A upon A is given 3 here. So on putting the value of capital A, which is equals to small 3a, so you will get 3a square. So here 3a square minus area of a small square is subtracted, so it's equals to 2a square. Now ratio, so you get the ratio area of the quadrilateral divided by area of a square. So it's equals to 2a square upon a square. Now a upon a is given 3 here. So on substituting with a value of a upon a is equals to 3a square here. So you will get the value 2a square upon 3a square. Here capital A upon small a is 3. So A upon small a is above and denominator is capital A. So it's reverted and it's get 1 by 3. So you will substitute here 1 by 3a square. So on simplification a square is cancelled out and you will get the ratio of 2 by 9, which is given in option number 1. So this one is the correct answer for this question. Now the next question is question number 18. The average staff salary of a company is rupees 8,000. A new guard and a new manager are recruited with salaries of 5,000 and rupees 20,000 respectively. What is the current staff strength if the new average salary is rupees 4,000 more than that of the guard salary? So here now see the solution. Average staff salary is rupees 8,000. A guard salary is 5,000. A manager salary is 20,000. New average salary is 4,000. So let sum of all salaries be X and number of old staff is Y. So you have the sum divided by the number of staff is equals to 8,000. This one is the average salary of old staff. So x is equals to 8000 y you get on simplification. Now new average salaries. So it's old salary is x sum, then new average salary sum is for 25,000 additional, so x plus 25,000, and old staff number is y, then two persons are increased, so y plus 2 is a new staff. Now that given in the last line, it is we have to read it very carefully, that the new average salary is 4,000 more than that of the guard. So for guard is 5,000 and 4,000 we have additional, so we get 4,000 plus 5,000 is equals to 9,000. So x plus 25,000 and y plus 2 is multiplied on the right side, so you will get 9,000 y plus 18,000. So on simplification, you get 8,000 y plus 25,000 is equals to 9,000 y plus 18,000. So 9,000 minus 8,000 is less, you get 1,000 y, and in the RHS 25,000 minus 18,000 you get 7,000. So y is equals to 7. So you suppose that y is the staff number of old staff. So y is old staff, then 2 are additional persons. So new staff is y plus 2. So you will get 7 plus 2. Now you see the second way of the solution. Go through option. Select option number 1. 7 is the new staff. Then 5 is the old staff. Then salary sum is 5 into 8,000. So you get 40,000. And new salary is 25,000 increase. So 40,000 plus 25,000 divided by 7. So on simplification, you get 9.2 into 1000 means 9,200, which is not equals to the new average salary. New average is 9,000, so this option is not correct. Now see the second option. Old salary is 7,000 into 8,000, so you will get 56,000. Now the new salary increased salary of two persons is 25,000. So on adding 56,000 plus 25,000 whole upon 9,000, you will get 81,000 by 9, which is equals to 9,000 exactly. So this from the option you have to satisfy both the condition, then this is the second way you have to find the option, correct option. So this is all about this question. Now see the second question. This is question number 9. A bird flies along the three sides of a field in the shape of equilateral triangle at speeds of 2 km, 4, 8 km per hour respectively. So the average speed of the bird we have to find it here. So now the bird flies in the form of equilateral triangle shape. So here we have to consider the field shape is ABC. Now AB is 2 kilometer, AC is 4 kilometer, and BC is 8 kilometer. So these are the three different speeds. So here AB is speed 2 kilometer and distance is A. Similarly, BC speed is 8 kilometer per hour and distance is A. CA is also 4 kilometer per hour and distance is A. Here the important thing is here noted, in the three sides of the field, time taken is different for the same distance. So we have to find the average of the time first, because taking the average of the speed, we have to match the all the parameter means time and distance. So distance is exactly A, but time is not fixed here. Here 2 kilometer per hour, 8 kilometer per hour. This is the speed, so we have to find the time. So now time is equals to distance upon speed. So here distance is A, then first time is A by 2, then second is A by 4, and third is A by 8. Its average is dividing by 3. So average of time on simplification you get 4A plus 2A plus A whole upon 8 upon 3. So on simplification average of time is 7A by 24. A 24. So average speed is average distance by average time. Now average distance is what? A plus A plus A by 3. So on substituting this, and time is 7A by 24. So 3A by 3 and 7A by 24. On simplification you get 24 by 7 kilometer per hour. So here is a little twist in the answer, and option is 24 by 7 kilometer per hour. But if you miss any one point, then you also get this other three options as answer. So be careful here. Now this is the last question. A buys n copies of a book at 20% discount. B get the same books at 30% discount. What is the minimum value of n for which B can buy one extra copy of book spending the same amount of as A? So here the four options are given. Now see the solution. A get n copies of books at 20% discount. B get n plus 1 copies in 30% discount. So this means 30 minus 20% is equals to n plus 1 minus n, means one book extra. So you get the 10% is equals to one book cost. So here 10% equals to 10 by 100 is the cost of one book. So 1 by 10 cost of one book. So let the cost of all the books be 100. Then one book cost be 10. So 20% discount means in 80 rupees you get 7 book from the option. Then in 30% discount you get 7 book plus 1 book. So one book cost is 7 plus 1 book cost. Here we can buy one extra copy of the book. So spending the same amount as A means in rupees 80 he gets 7 plus 1 book. So option 1 is correct. So this satisfies both the condition that in 80 rupees he get 7 books, and in 30% discount, sorry, in 30% discount means in 70 rupees he exactly get one book, one extra copy for that. So this one is the correct answer for this question. So this is all about the present video. Thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe, and must watch. Thank you very much.